T-Boss.
Yes.
So what do we do now? We know we need to introduce someone.
Yes, someone very special.
And this person we need to introduce. We need to do it very emotionally.
Oh.
You know,
okay.
right? Okay, good stuff. Can we do this?
Yes, we can.
All right. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for the next act for tonight? Now, this next person is in no small measure a huge brand in the industry. He is an ancestor, if I need to say that. T-Boss, what do you have to say about this guy? I know you love him.
I do love him.
You do, right?
I do love him. He's a fantastic singer and...
All right, ladies and gentlemen, introducing the man of the hour.
The one and only.
The one of the music industry man of the hour.
Yes, what he said.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing one man you would love to love.
Oh, yes. Everyone.
Strong, energetic. Leave it for the next one.
To Baba.
She lets the cat out of the bag.
Let me take you back, man. Let's go way back.
Yo.
Yes, so. Pump it up.
Yes, so.
Neptune, pump it up.
Nothing there, catch the vibe, get the feeling, Yes, so.
Catch the vibe and get the feeling. Tell your man that you are willing. What I have is what I'm. Barcelona! I'm really gonna try to keep you live on that. D-Money! Catch the vibe and get the feeling. When I remember this song, when I remember, man, that you are willing. What I have is what I'm giving. I'm really gonna try to keep you live on that. As I walk out the door, waiting at the plan, I come to show. After the show, that they party, yo. The party go happen for a room or so. Even if you know me, my friend, yo. Come and party with my friends, yo. Chicala go cool, they pass yo. So they point and kill, you go carry the go. But you say over the floor, they go. So police protection, essential, hey, police protection go plenty, yo. Well, even if you like, you go small, you go. Start to show yourself, oh. Come to the side to dance, start to go low. Start to like a monkey, yo. Like a donkey, yo. Jump and touch the scene, you know. Help me to sing in the sing, you know. I go spray on my money, yo. I go spray till the end of the party, yo. But this kind of party, you go, where do they go? You know, go no say son done the show. This kind of party, no they end, yo. This kind of party, they go so high. Hey. Catch the vibe and get the feeling. They go. Tell your man, hey, why you feeling? Hey. What I have is what I'm giving. Hey, I'm really gonna try to keep it down. When I remember this song, remember this song.
You let me know now. I need this girl. I need let me take it down. Come on,
Hey! Baby, there's a different kind of spirit about you. Baby, it's the way you smile every time that I make you too. I cannot understand what you do me, you make me feeling irate. Oh, but if I ever tell a lie, make a pie, I did treat for you, my name. Hey, after all this is said and done, you don't even show me you can't return. You don't even make me feel like you're number one. You don't even try to show me my position. It is only fair that you should let me know. You should let me know how you feel about me, so I have had enough of your bumming. I am dying for you. I am calling. Cause you stole my heart away. Cause I gave all my life to you. Girl, I hope you're back for O2. If you really, really want me so, baby, you should let me know. Now it's only me that let you know I love you so. That is not the way that the story should. Hold on. It feels good loving somebody when somebody loves you back. Yeah, yeah. Julius Abu, I see you. When I remember this song, straight this time. I'm coming out with a little of my own kind of peace of mind. I'm doing it my way this time, like I'm not gonna bore you with some flimsy kind of piece of rhymes. So pull a cushion, sit back, relax and listen to this introduction on me, myself and my mission. My vision is to let you all see that there's more to this life than just faking up reality. Reality. Okay, let's go. Say I thank you for your head and brush your teeth. This time I take a shower and I grab something to eat. Put on a piece of clothing and step on to the street. Then into the studio just to cook up some beat. Later to the club to make the people feel the heat. They got on the street and I'm proud of my own feet. Making sure that all my mistakes I don't repeat. Like I mind my own business and I don't dig up. I say what's on my mind, I don't have time to edit. Gotta thank the Lord every time I find my feet. Oh, praise the Lord, He give me power to defeat. She give me stone instead of to give me meat. I try to find it. Everybody know that me too lazy to beat it. Everybody know that me physically fit. Everybody know that me humble and if I give another man, so the reason why I say for it is that I got my conscience by my side. Got peace of mind inside. No matter what I do, I'm going to make my dough. So the reason why I say for it's who God is blessed. No one can curse. Hey, no man. Who God is blessed. No one can curse. Hey, no. Today is the first day of the rest of my life. I got to be strong, got to be ready for the strife. I know some people say some things I will cut like a knife. I know some people say that I might never find a wife, but I do my thing my way, my brother, no be fight. Sometimes I might be wrong, sometimes I might be right, but I keep my head straight and I keep my game inside. Cause one thing I can see, the future with it right. Got to have it all, not just a bite. Got to have it all, not by power, not by might, but cause in this music I play at night. And the Almighty Lord will never let me leave inside. But upon on top of that, I still don't think my people fly. I promise I will use my music to the shining lighter. I know we're gonna fun, like say I know they shine. I will bear my mind, I will bear I'm black and white. Just because I say I know in this school, some people they take me for a fool. If I give another man, so the reason why I say for them is that I got my conscience by my side. Got peace of mind inside. No matter what I do, I'm going to make my dough. So the reason why I say is who God is blessed. No one can curse. No one can curse. No one can curse. Who God is blessed. No one can curse. Everybody now, I want you to say, Funny boy, funny boy, funny boy, funny boy. Say oh oh oh, hey hey hey, oh oh oh, get out. No man can curse. Who God has blessed? No man can curse. I mean, I see so many beautiful people in the building tonight, man. It's not a smart scene. If I tell you this story, if I tell you this story, who be Franklin? Who be Franklin? You say what's it? Hey, why? Our pepper don't finish for us now. Yo. Any children in this house? I beg you. Because I want to do one remix. Well, I know I mess more children there. Some people be acting like they know it all. When everybody knows they prick, they rise and fall. Some rise up again just to stand up tall and harder and stronger. But no matter how hard you fuck, you cannot fuck them all. You go only fuck your best because you know go fit fuck all. So if you want to fuck, make you use condom. Cause you know fuck past my brother. Okay. That one advice for all the guys. Advice for all the guys. This one advice for all the beautiful ladies in the house. All the ladies, special advice. Let somebody love you. Let somebody touch you. Let somebody fill the space in your heart. Oh, baby. Let somebody press you. Let somebody spread you. Baby, baby, baby. Let somebody handle you. Let somebody take you. Take you. Ra! Ra! Oh, not too much. I don't write petition. I write petition. The petition will say we have to assign each comedian to a psychiatric doctor. I don't know the beef where all these comedians get with artists. When they enter us too much, we have to evaluate you guys now. It's not fair. Eh? Okay, on a serious note, when I go download Hold My Hand, I want song I just do. When I go download and Hold My Hand, yeah? Yeah? Throughout for history, them talk come say no man is an island, then they talk come. For history, them say one tree can never make a forest, then they talk come. So touch your life today. Touch your life today. It no matter what you get, try to. Okay, no, this one I press. Okay, touch. You don't understand. You're one love, man. This young man is one of the actual talented guys. This young man from J-Town. You need to hang with him. Then you will know that what he does is not just on stage. He's funny like that outside. That's why they call him Funny Bone. Make some noise for Funny Bone, man. Yes. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Two-Face.
So when I come out for this show, I've not been this scared in my life before. At least people will come today. No, the flood was bad. Oh, where do you live? Oh, you don't understand. These guys are suffering, man. I feel bad. People have they flow for water. Some girls wake up, full of water, they go. I was depressed. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the first Nigerian comedian. Tonight I made history. In case you don't know. I'll tell you why. I'm the first Nigerian comedian where they come stage from under. Because for this country now, everything my history. So write it down. Stanley Shibuna, aka Funny Woman, first comedian. So Uru, Bata. Put it down. Because it a pain me say See, all my life, to confess, they had me. Even for class, I don't confess. Our family, I know the firstborn. Our firstborn did it. So today, something first had to happen. What that person not done before, I don't know. Now my first. Chioma Ajay, one of the first Nigerians to win Olympic gold medal. Fela Mama are the first Nigerian who drive motor. He did history. First woman, na Nigerian. Saraki, na the first civilian Senate president where one overthrow acting president. Tonto Dike, na the first Nigerian female actress we pay her bride price. This night, I go talk. Talking back in one. I'm the first Nigerian female way black before. Marry, come yellow, come write book. Hey, why? Hey, why? I'm the first Nigerian comedian. You know now. Julius Sandu is in the history books. Where's Jay? Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Julius Sandu, my man. Daddy, how are you? Jay. Jay. I've known this man for over 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. You don't know when he invests and when he's serious. He invests and once he speaks English, I invest. Wait. Can you imagine? No, wait. You one time he's saying, no? Oh, gosh. That's Jay for you. I almost not do table for this show. Any place of market table, funny bone. The economy we're going. Things are really not, you know. And you know what this table is in front. Speakers always hit our ear. How much is your chair? Let's stay behind. Now for Lagos, when they do show, they set table, if they walk. For Aba, Anambra State, you do show, you want set table. Now this table, Egon. 1 million. Makatable. Yeah. Say that. How much? This guy's behind. How much? 5,000. Come. Is there any difference? He said no. Give him 5,000. They will go quietly. They will sit down and they will enjoy the show. Even when you are corner for food, even when you have a table, sir, funny one. You know, after this advanced issue, I don't like showing myself again. Or you don't know who is who. Even in my house now, I don't eat on my table, I eat for grand now.